My part of the Stone Deaf play starts out with a woman on a dark stage talking about how deaf schools began to get set up and how more and more of these residential schools for the deaf were popping up, but there was still a struggle to figure out which type of teaching style should be used for deaf children. There was methodical, English, and natural signing. And then it shoots to two girls standing. One is facing the audience and the other is has her back to the audience. And the girl who's facing the audience starts out and she's using signed exact English style of signing, or contact variety type of signing, more English word order. And she signs something and then they switch. The other girl is facing the audience now, and the first girl who was signing now has her back to the audience, and the other signer is using more ASL. After this scene, it cuts to the woman talking about the same woman who started out the show, talking about how the children who were raised and grew up with strong ASL can be successful. And then it shoots to a coffee shop with a man and two women sitting in the coffee shop, and the man is talking about how his coffee business is very successful, and the two women are talking about how they go to the businesses that have been successful. And then it cuts to the woman again, and it talks about evolution and Charles Darwin, and then it cuts to Charles Darwin giving a speech or a presentation, and there's an interpreter interpreting it. And then there is two deaf girls and two hearing girls, and then it becomes an argument of, are deaf people as human as hearing people? And then it cuts to the end.